Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make badges in Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com and it will take you to first a login page where you have to log in with your username and password. Now, once you log in, it will take you to this home page. Now, if you want to create a game badges, you just need to click on this create tab. Now, if you want to create a badges, guys, you just click. You just need to click on this experience. And on the left in the menu, you just need to click on associate items. Now, if you want to create a badges, so it will open in a badges tab. So you just need to click on create a badges. And now you just need to upload the image here. Fine. And the name of the game badges and the description of the badge. And you just need to tap on, you just need to click on this create badges, but make sure the first 5 badges creations are free. And if you want to get more additional badges, then you have to spend 100 Robux. So make sure you are making the most out of it. Just try to make the badge you want. Don't waste it. Waste these chances. So hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.